All right, welcome to the latest video tutorial on how do we get our expert account put into our West documentary. So hopefully this will do it. It's a couple steps, so it's a little more complicated, but just stay with me and follow the steps, please, and it'll work. I think it'll work. So you're gonna have to add two extensions to your Chrome browser. The first one is Screencastify. So what you want to do is go to the web store, right? Chrome Web Store. If I could type this, it'd be a lot easier. Go to the Chrome Web Store and then type in Screencastify. And that's the one right there that you need. I already have it, so I'm not going to add it again because you can't. But add that one for me, and then while you're here, if you've not already added Clipchamp, do that now. I think a lot of us already have because of the directions I gave you yesterday. But add Clipchamp then as well. You need both of those extensions. Okay. What I'm going to do then is I'm going to go ahead and just open a new tab so it's clean, and I'm going to open. This is Screencastify, and I'm going to open that. And here's my choices. I'm going to pick webcam only because what I want to do is I want to record myself for my expert account. So I need to show myself here. I make sure, guys, this won't really matter till Clipchamp, but mute your speakers so that there's no feedback because it could be super nasty. So go ahead and mute that. Now you're just going to record yourself, so you're all prepared to go. Here I am. Oh, good looking fella. Look at that. Had a good hair day. It looks like nice. All right, so here I am. I'm going to give my my expert account here. It's already recording. It gives you a little 3-second countdown. And then you can record. When you're done, you can stop it, and it will automatically, you can see over here, start putting it in your Google Drive, okay, which is helpful, I think. So the next thing I want to do then is I need to open up Clipchamp, and again, I've already got it on mine, so there's the Clipchamp extension. I want to open that up. I want to log in using my Google account. Since I've already been here, here's where I go to. Remember to click over here on Clipchamp Create so that I'm sorry, don't need to do that. Just go over here to the 9 boxes, the 9 squares, right there, and I want to Clipchamp Utilities, and that's going to get me to the screen that I need. And I'm looking for this screen right here. I told you before, make a recording, do not do that. You want to convert your video over here, okay? So converting our video is where we want to be at right now. All right, now that I'm here, and this is where I need to be to convert my video, I need to go back and find my recording that I just did on the Screencastify. And it's going to be in your Google Drive, and here it is right here. It'll take a minute or two probably to process it, but once it does, then you need to download it, and we'll just wait and see how long it takes mine to download. So I'm going to pause this here, and when it comes back up, I'll catch you up. All right, so we're back. That was probably about 3 minutes or so that I paused my recording. You can see it still hasn't shown up yet, but if I click on it, it actually is there. Okay, so there's the video. I'm just going to pause it because we don't need to see it again. What I want to do here is I want to go download that video. Now it's a little different on my laptop versus your Chromebook, but this ought to still work. I just downloaded it. It's down here at the bottom where my downloads are, right? And I'm going to right-click on it, and I think for you guys it's maybe a 2-finger click, something like that. You're going to put it on your clipboard, I think is what the Chromebook will say. For me, I have to show it in a folder, so I just take that, and there it is right there. And what I want to do, just so I can find it later, is I'm going to rename it. We'll just call it Trial 8 because Lord knows how many of these I've actually done. And I also want to move it someplace where I can find it easily enough, which will be on my desktop, just right there on my desktop. So I'm good there. Now what I can do is I've got my recording. It's still, though, in like a WebM format, whatever that means. It doesn't mean anything to me. But here's what I do know is I can now convert it using Clipchamp. So I'm going back to this screen, and I'm going to click in here because this is going to allow me then to convert it. I need to go find that Trial 8 video that I just created. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Look at all those trials. So there it is right there. Open that thing there. Of course, I wouldn't think of purple hippos. All right, so here I am. That's a good-looking screenshot right there. And I need to optimize for, so we have to change this. You have to change it to mobile because that will then put it in an MP4 format, which is what you need right down there. So just choose when it's here, it's going to come up as web as the default. Click on it, go down, choose mobile, and then it's MP4. Then you can go down and click start, and it will convert it. You can edit the video here as well. I don't know how to do it. I don't know. You can mess around if you want, but here's where you need to make it an MP4. All right, and it'll take just a second for it to upload or for it to convert. And now it's done, and I can save it. You can see down there it's saved as an MP4. I'll try to upload it again. I don't think it works, but whatever. We'll see if it allows it today. It didn't yesterday. Safety, yeah, it looks like it doesn't, but that's okay because it should be all right. So here I am with my video now in an MP4. So I go to my Adobe Spark. I have my blank slide down here. I want to add video, and I need to go find then the Trial 8 that has been converted with Clipchamp. This one? It is not that one. I guess maybe I need to do this. So it's show in folder so I can move it again. That's what I got to do. I had to go move it again so where I can find it. That's the mistake I made. So there it is. Now let's try that again. Trial 8 converted with Clipchamp. So yours will probably say converted with Clipchamp as well. I open it, it puts in Adobe Spark, and now I can adjust the length of the video that's in here or whatever it is I need to do. I can play it if I need to, just to make sure that it is what I need it to be. And then I save it, and it's going to be in my Adobe Spark documentary once it gets all saved in there. There we go. And there I am. So that ought to do it, guys. Sorry for the length of the video, and I know this has been a battle to get this all figured out, but that's what we had to do. So there's your tutorial. You're all very smart and good-looking people. I'm sure you'll figure it out after watching this. So thanks for your attention.